Hi, this is Nick from SquareKicker. Squarespace has recently released the highly anticipated migration tool from websites on 7.0 to 7.1. Websites only on templates Brine or Bedford are currently compatible for this migration. However, it is possible for you to migrate a different template to 7.1, but first you need to actually change your Squarespace template to a compatible 7.0 template and then complete the migration process. If you're using a Squarespace 7.0 template that is compatible with this migration, you can watch a different video on migrating your site from 7.0 to 7.1. Before we get started on this migration, it's important to know that when you do this template changing process, your site will look vastly different and your visitors will need to be told that you're working on a different site right now. So you'll need to set up a coming soon or lock page to show your visitors that your site is in construction. If you would prefer not to have any downtime on your site, you can first duplicate your site and then complete this migration process. And then when you're finished redesigning your website, you can publish it by transferring your domain to your new duplicated site. However, when you duplicate your site, you lose a few website information bits that are not transferred over, such as e-commerce settings, blog comments, and some assets or files that were uploaded. So it's important to know that if you want these things on your new website, you'll need to actually keep everything on this existing site and not duplicate it. A full list of information that's not transferred to duplicated websites are available in the description below. The first thing you will want to do is design and set up a lock screen to tell your visitors that you're working on a new site. Once you have designed a lock screen page, set your site visibility to password, which will activate a lock screen for your site. Head to Website, Design, and Template to change your site to a compatible template. We're going to choose a Bedford template because we know that this template is in the template family that is compatible. Publish your new template and then refresh your site. When you go back to the Design tab, you will see the option to update to 7.1. Click this and you will enter into preview mode. You can see all your site's pages and content are still available in the Hidden Pages area. You will want to spend some time redesigning your site, but for now you have the freedom to use Squarespace 7.1 and convert your sections to Fluid Engine. At this point of the process, you can cancel and discard all your changes and revert your entire site back to how it originally was. But if you're committed to rebuilding your site, you can publish to 7.1 and continue on. If you need help with knowing how to use Fluid Engine, check out the overview video below on Fluid Engine tutorial found in the description. If you really want to take your site to the next level, install SquareKicker and add some exciting features like sticky sections and scrolling effects. Head over to SquareKicker.com for a full list of features and tutorials.